Fish oil, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, is not just for heart and brain health. It also offers remarkable benefits for your hair. Fish oil is extracted from the tissues of oily fish like salmon, mackerel, sardines, and anchovies. It's packed with omega-3 fatty acids, essential nutrients our bodies need but can't produce. Omega-3 fatty acids nourish hair follicles, promoting growth and reducing hair loss. They strengthen hair strands, making them less prone to breakage. Additionally, omega-3s moisturize the scalp, combat dandruff, and enhance hair elasticity. Incorporate fish oil into your diet by eating fatty fish or taking supplements. For topical use, create a hair mask by mixing fish oil with coconut oil or avocado. Apply to your scalp and hair, leave for 30-60 minutes, then wash out. Fish oil is a powerful natural remedy for hair health. Whether through diet, supplements, or topical application, incorporating fish oil into your routine can lead to stronger, shinier, and healthier hair. Give it a try and see the difference.